Okay guys, here's our kitchen. This is to size and scale. Starting off with the range, 30-inch range, the microwave would be mounted here, 12-inch cabinet to the left. Cookie sheets, tray dividers, there's a drawer here. This pops out a couple inches depending on the microwave, if we can do that or not. A lot of times they'll vent out the front, so this needs to be 12 inches instead of the current 14. In the corner here, this cabinet goes into the corner. So there's a blank panel and the shelf goes all the way back into the corner of the wall. So this door would open up, maybe hinge it on the left instead of the way we have it, and the door would lay flat against here, and it's a little bit of a reach to get back in there. But if we do an L-shaped upper cabinet, I can't bring it out all the way to the right side of this microwave cabinet. So when designing this, that blind corner unit really doesn't work very well in this corner because of the depth of the stove. So I have put that unit in this corner because we're not restricted by that range sticking out as far as it does, because we need 15 inches minimum for this door. Once we open the door, clearance for that unit to open up. And there's a picture in the estimate of what that unit looks like. So this is a Lazy Susan shaped cabinet. So there's these two doors here. Let me open this thing up here. So this is the shape of that cabinet. We would hinge it on this side, and there's just an adjustable shelf on the inside. There's not enough room to do a Lazy Susan in there because of this corner or this side being cut short for the range. So our drawer stack here in the middle, sink cabinet, 12-inch drawer stack here, 12-inch drawer stack here, and then the run of uppers. And these uppers will terminate on the end of this overhang. So if we have a 12-inch overhang here, there's shaker paneling on the back here. I know we were talking about putting a cabinet here, but let me attempt to explain what's going on here. So this is the blind corner unit. So this opening from here to here needs to be a minimum of 15 inches. And we have to have this come, picture the front of the range being right here. This would have to be so big to get the door further enough away from the front of the range in order for us to have 15 inches of clearance here, that by the time we stretch that cabinet out, it needed to be maybe 47 inches. This drawer stack got really skinny. Right now, this drawer stack's 21 in the middle here, 21 and a quarter, blind corner unit, the shelf. These are your upper heights here. And again, this is that blank panel. So the front of the cabinet to the right of the microwave would end right about here. Sink, dishwasher, 12 and 12-ish. This might have to be adjusted a little bit, but they'll be really close. And then the range side, 30-inch range. The right side of the range is 30 inches off the wall. And I just can't make that. If we did an L-shaped upper, can't bring it over that far. But that's excuse me, that's the layout of what we've got. Let me know what you think, and we can take it from there. Thanks, guys.